Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. Thank you for watching this video. So in this video we will discuss on the port address. Logical address and physical address are two types of addresses that we have learned before. So in this video we'll focus on the port address. Physical address will change when the data travel from one device to another device. However, the logical address will still remain. How about the port address? Why we need a port address? Port address is needed in order to identify a process that running or going on, and it includes the packet at the transport layer. So the size of this port address is equal to 16 bits of length, and it is represented using the decimal numbering system. Example of the port address is port 21, which refer to the file transfer protocol. So the process or the activities involved in port 21 is file transferring. Port 80 is referred to the HTTP process. So when you look at this figure, you can identify that one PC can have more than one process. For example, we have E, B, and C. These one are the process. J and K also the process. So E is the sender device. P is the receiver device. At the application layer, we have a packet of data. So at the transport layer, it will encapsulate A and J. So that's mean process A at device A will send the process to the device P using the port number J. So E here is the source port address and J is the destination port address. At this transport layer, it will encapsulate this address, which are referred to the port addresses for source and destination. At that network layer, it will encapsulate this packet of data with another A and P that refer to the logical address. For this example, we assume that A and J is the port address, A and P are the logical addresses. So A and P is used in order to determine to whom that the data need to be sent. And E and J are the port number that being used for that communication. So through the data link layer, those will be encapsulated with the header anti-relay. So it will travel through the internet and received by P device. So at this part, it will be decapsulated. So that are the process of port address. So that's mean usually port address and the physical address will be changed through during the process of transferring the data, and logical address usually will remain. Another address that we will discuss is the specific address. So this specific address is a user-friendly address that are designed for a specific address. Example of the specific address is your email address. For example, you may have jananik@gmail.com.my. So that address is specific for Jananik. Or you maybe have email on 2019583434 at isiswa.uitm.edu.my. So that specific email address is belong to you. For example, so we call that email address as the specific address. For URL, we can have www.uitm.edu.my. So that is the specific address. So basically, you should know those type of addresses. We have physical, also known as the MAC address, and then we have the logical address, and then we have the iPod address, and the last but not least, we have the specific address. So your task, you should be know on how to differentiate those addresses and how those addresses are functioned in a network. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Assalamualaikum.